When you look at this patch of grass, what do you see? Do you see unkept lawn? It looks pretty tall. Or do you see free seed? The early part of June is when my grasses in my local area in Zone 4 reseed themselves. And if I can, I let them grow. And it looks unsightly for a couple of weeks. But this is a way to get free seed, and Mother Nature takes care of itself. Some of the seed is a little bit closed up yet. Probably could wait a couple more days before I mow. But if you want free seed, this is the way to do it. Let the grass grow. Depending on what zone you're in. I like free. Don't know about you. Just have to put up with an ugly lawn for a couple of weeks and you get all the free seed you want. Here you can see the seed is ripening and starting to flake off. It's perfect time. So I'm probably going to mow today to knock that seed down.